Hi friends, today I will talk on a very interesting topic, that is I keep eyes on a star and your feet on the ground. Why it is important? That is, we should aim high and you should be your leg should be on ground also. It means that whatever you pursuing the dream, you should pursue the dream, but you should be grounded. And this ground, how it comes? It comes by the spirituality. If you have spiritually grounded, so whenever this stardom or some success comes, it will not goes to your mind. It's very common that whenever you succeed and whenever you achieve, you think yourself like you are a king. You made the something, you have achieved all the milestone which you want to achieve in life, and you are more powerful, more successful, and this kind of thoughts give you overconfidence. And if suddenly some problems comes, or suddenly somebody break your journey of the success, or some obstacles comes, so you lose the confidence, you go on under depression or something, this kind of things, because you have the habit of going always achieving, you not have the failures in your life. So this, because your eyes always on higher side of you are always seeing the stars, the feet are not at ground. So it's very important that you are not knowing about the ground reality, what's the hard fact of the life also. Or you cannot always win, or you cannot always fail also. Winning and failing is the part of life. One way you can win also, one day and next day maybe you are fail also. So this, you should take the things that one day you can achieve, one day you can lose. These are the lessons. Every day, every failure or every success is a lesson. Just take them lessons. But if you are not, your feet are not at grounds, so you cannot think in a that much of deep way. So spiritually grounded, or you have to know what the core concept are. Like success is a part, is a different. It's a coin. The coin have the two faces. So it's the same thing. One side it is success, one side is a faith, the failure. So both comes in a same way. आप कभी सक्सेस भी होते हो, कभी फेल भी होते हो. तो बहुत सारे थिंग्स, जैसे हम हिंदी में बोलते हैं ना, सुख और दुख. तो सेम थिंग्स इज आर लाइक देयर आल्सो, कि जो भी चीज़ें हैं वो दोनों एक साथ चलती हैं. कभी आप सक्सेसफुल भी होगे और कभी फेल भी होगे. बट इफ़ यू आर ग्राउंडेड स्पिरिचुअली, और यू आर नो द हार्ड फैक्ट्स, लाइफ गोज लाइक दिस ऑल्सो, यू कैन नॉट बी डिस्टर्ब द मेंटल प्रेशर, डिप्रेशन, और ये जो अल्कोहलिज्म, और ये जो भी चीज़ें बैड हैबिट्स जैसे स्मोकिंग, ये जो प्रेशर आता है एकदम, और उसको हम हैंडल नहीं कर पाते. दिस ऑल कम्स बस जस्ट बिकॉज ऑफ दिस यू डोंट नो हाउ टू हैंडल इट, बिकॉज योर फीट इज नॉट एट ग्राउंड. सो इट्स वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट, यू शुड नो द फैक्ट्स दैट every day, like in our life also, we just see our world, like what the things are, like there is some part of day, then it is night, some are black, some are white. So all the combination God has given. No one color is there, no whole day is there, night is also comes. Not only the stars are there, even the moons are there, sun is there, lots of planet is there. So this kind of things are available in the nature. No one is there, like sometimes grounds are there, sometimes mountain is there, sometimes hills are there, sometimes water flowing from some high levels, and then it is flow on the ground level. So all up downs are the part of life. But I earlier in my one of the video I talk about the ECG also. The same thing is there. So always it's very important, you should aim higher side, you should look towards the star. But it's also very important, you should keep your feet grounded also. Hope I justify the topic, and what the thing you like, just comment. And thank you very much. I tried to give my best for this topic because I really like the topic. Thank you.